Welcome back to another video. Oh shit. It's a beautiful pouring day today. That's what I'm gonna say. Sunday. You know the Sundays, bro, like normally boring. You don't see people on the street, you don't see people anywhere. Like all the stores are closed. You know what I mean? But we are gonna enjoy it, bro. So there has been like bikes, yellow bikes, and I wanna try them, like city bikes, you know.
On my knee, all this begin, hop off the chick, and they get rich. Let's do the more run, I get a check. You still run on my pants and my chest. She's not a dress, you love my best. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Kind of fun, couple Rolex, shine like the sun, you truly blessed. You told me 10, and they come pull like a Ruby DJ.
We fixed it. I was trying to get it, bro, like 20 minutes, waiting and waiting. Finally, I made it. Today I actually wanted to talk about social life, man. My social life. Because my social life is strange. I don't have that much friends. Not because I can't make friends. I think because I like to be alone. To be real with you, they're actually nice. Look at them. I don't know if I have brought you here, guys, but I like this place. Look at this. What do you guys think? It's like you have like a lot of space, and then this. I was talking about my social life, bro. I don't know. I'm like, sometimes I like to hang out around people, but sometimes I'm like, yo, you know, I don't want to hang out. Where I live is like a little place, so the people that I know, they live like far away, and the people that I know, I usually don't like to hang out with them because I don't know, I don't feel like myself when I'm around them, so I don't hang out with them. Now in this moment I have one real friend, but he lives so far away from me, and that's the only friend that I usually hang out with. One thing I would like to get better at is talking to people. I mean, I can talk to people, like no problem, but I like to like build a connection, because I'm gonna be real, I don't normally do that, so that's one thing I gotta learn.
Get a peace of mind. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils to be elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me.
Yo, nice bikes, man. For real, for real. What? Don't forget to hit the like button. Let's go. Here in Belgium, bro, like, let me tell you something. Here is funny. You have all the seasons in one day, bro. Like, rain, it snows, the sun comes out. Yeah, I'm back in the car.
Running back on replay for your love.